Sending money through Cebuana Pera Padala.
Hello?
Hello, Nay. Kamusta na po kayo dyan?
Oh anak, okay lang naman ako dito. Ikaw, may kailangan ka ba?
Okay lang din naman po ako. Nay, malapit na po kasi yung final exam po namin. Pwede po kaya kayong magpadala ulit ng pera para pang tuition fee?
Oo nga pala. O sige anak, magpapadala na ako dun sa mabilis sa Cebuana Lulier. Doon na lang sa may malapit sa school mo na branch ha.
Maraming salamat, Nay. Bye-bye po.
O sige, ingat ka.
Go to your nearest Cebuana Lulier branch for Kidlat Bilis Money Remittance Service. Fill out the Pera Padala form and hand it over to our friendly branch personnel. For 24K card holders, present your card for faster processing.
Hello, Ma'am Irene. Good afternoon po.
Hi Joel. Papadala sana ako sa anak ko.
Ma'am Irene, pahiram na lang po yung Cebuana card natin o kaya yung 24K card at isang valid ID po para po mapabilis natin ang ating transaction. Thank you po.
If it is your first time to transact with Cebuana Lulier and you do not have a 24K card yet, please fill out our customer information sheet. Present at least one valid ID. Our branch personnel will check the form and receive the money.
Ma'am, ang papadala niyo po ba ay 7,500 at ito po ay para kay Sara de la Cruz. Ma'am, yung 7,500 po, meron po tayong service fee doon na 240. Thank you, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7,750. Ma'am, ang total ko na natanggap ko po ay 7,750.
Okay.
At yung 240 po ay para po sa charges niya.
Sige.
Maupo muna po sila, ma'am, para po ma-process ang inyong transaction.
Sige. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Transaction takes about 3 minutes. While you wait, you may read a copy of Balitang Cebuana, our official newsletter.
Ma'am Irene. Ma'am Irene, ito po yung control number. Ito na lamang po yung i-text ninyo sa receiver po ninyo. At ito po yung 24K card natin, ang inyong pong ID at inyong pong change. Pakibilang na lang po ang inyong sukle.
The validated form will be returned to you together with your change, if any. Remember to send the control number to your recipient.
Okay. Maraming salamat, Joel.
Salamat din, ma'am.
Cebuana Pera Padala Kidlat Bilis Money Remittance is quick and easy as 1, 2, 3. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Fill out the Pera Padala form and hand it over to our friendly branch personnel. Step 2. Present your 24K card for faster processing. If it is your first time to transact with Cebuana Lulier and you do not have a 24K card yet, please fill out our customer information sheet. Present at least one valid ID. This will be captured using our webcam. Our branch personnel will check the form and receive the money. The average transaction time is just about 3 minutes. The validated form will be returned to you together with a control number and change, if any. Step 3. Remember to send your control number to the recipient. To experience Kidlat Bilis Money Remittance Service, visit your nearest Cebuana Lulier pawn shop or Pera Padala branch, or log on to www.perapadala.com.